You can hear that in the background if you've been following my videos before this one. That's the Bird Hotel I showed you in front, the big bush where the birds congregate. You can hear them from clear in the backyard. Social creatures, aren't they? So this video is kind of an update, let you know I'm still around. Last video we got shown these guys. I'm bringing these back. So far they're looking pretty good. So what I got on the plans is a friction folder. Now, you've followed my channel, you know I've made liner locks. This one here I've carried for about 2 years. Okay. Also made a friction folder, sort of on the beefy side. You know, many cities don't allow locks. I mean, knives that locks on knives. Okay, they want you to carry something that doesn't lock. Now, in this case, you know, this is kind of a hefty looking, kind of a beefy knife. And what I've been grabbing on the way out a lot is this thing. It's a little Lansky. That's actually a lot of knife for 20 bucks. I've been carrying this quite a bit. Doesn't lock. And some ordinances, they don't want a knife that locks. Some countries don't want a knife that locks. A lot of ordinances against locking knives throughout the US. So in some places they don't even want fixed blades. By the way, one more of these left on the site. Christmas is around the corner and I'm trying to fix my truck up. Help me out, guys. So I got a friction folder on the drawing board, and I think it'd be kind of fun to make a video, not an instructional video, but just a video showing how I go into making a knife with a couple moving parts, being the blade and the handle, from start to finish. Show how it becomes a rough sketch, to, I guess you could say, somewhat of a diagram, down to a model, all the way to the finished blade. It'd be kind of fun. And this project I'm going to be making from a piece of D2 tool steel. Also going to be using perhaps a stainless steel liner. May or may not use a liner. I will be using a washer between the blade and the grip. I might be using a micarta or G10 for the grip. So it's going to be a knife like this. Okay, but instead of being a blade this thick, it's going to be about 3 inch. As I have a 3-inch long with a blade, you know, considerably thinner. So I'm looking at doing a. It'll be a hollow grind here. It'll be a hollow grind here with a false edge, so this won't be sharpened. It'll kind of remind you somewhat of a stiletto when I'm done, hopefully, if it turns out. But it'd be kind of fun. I'm going to do a video, I think, showing kind of the start to finish aspects of making a folder. And it's not going to be instructional, but I'll just kind of go along and show you how I stumble through the process. Alright, well, a little bit of an update. Also let you know, still have more oleanders up. Still have one more reciprocity up on the site. If you want to buy one, it'd be really greatly appreciated. And just showing you what's coming up. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.